At Nambour Christian College, our agricultural science program combines classroom learning with hands-on experiences that bring students closer to nature and sustainable agricultural practices. Students learn practical skills across plant science, sustainability and crop management, equipping them with an understanding of modern agricultural technology and environmental stewardship. A unique feature of this program is our Berakah Miniatures show team, where students care for and train miniature horses, preparing them for local shows. This teamwork experience builds confidence, responsibility and empathy, all while fostering a love for animals and agriculture. At NCC, agricultural science students learn essential skills for the future, developing respect for the environment and a strong foundation in sustainable practices.